What's gone wrong with Mary? I hear them say Mary's not the Mary of yesterday. She's gone to changing her hair, and she laughs and she cries, and her life seems to be such a worried and jumbled affair. Well, I have talked to Mary, I've searched her eyes, and if you ask of Mary, I'll tell you why. It's Mary's time to run through the mad, through the sane, through the joy and the pain, till she finds her place in the sun. Oh, young birds fly in early spring, they learn new songs to sing, and each song they know can help them to grow. Mary questions everything she's ever known before, and warn her as we may, she just won't listen anymore. But let her find a way, and soon will come a glorious day when everything's been sorted through. The streets will be reported how the people